So, just got in the old Volvo. I'm heading out to see my friend Mr. Jeffries because he is kindly, you probably can't see me, it's quite dark, but if I put the interior light on, he's kindly collected some things for me. I bought a couple of bits that were on eBay in Manchester. So Alex Hart went and fetched them for me. Then he passed them on to William Murphy, who passed them on to Paul Jeffries. So now I'm going to Paul Jeffries' house to grab those bits and pieces, and I'll show you what they are. Here he is.
How you doing?
He's having a party in here.
I'm having a party.
Hello, Paul.
I'm alright, mate. How are you?
Good, thank you.
Sounding good.
Look at that. Looks very nice, doesn't it?
Get in there.
Oh, in there.
Yeah.
My new bits. Check them out. They're nice, aren't they? Nice boot lid from Mr. Draper. Check that out. Luke's going to be so pleased when I've got my bonnet painted. Do you remember what he said when we went to Stamford Hall? If you don't get a new bonnet soon, I'm going to buy you one.
Yeah. They've only been in my car for 2 months.
So, we've just about finished all the work on the house now. Kitchen's done, everywhere's painted. Things are looking good, and we've put our house on the market for sale. So that's the reason lately why I haven't made any videos. I've just started putting one together that I'm editing here about me new bonnet and boot lid. So I'll tell you, I don't want to stand outside in the cold and do that, so I'll tell you a bit more of a look around those now, and you can see what I've bought. Now obviously, whenever you've finished renewing your kitchen, it's always good to get mini parts in it. Has to. So this is a bonnet I bought. It's fiberglass, very light. Seems pretty solid. It's got mounted brackets for the bonnet hinges, but they will be getting cut off. It's got the kind of Cooper S style scoop in it. Some people don't like it. I quite like it. Something a bit different. Go with the other fiberglass bits on the car. It's clearly not an original car, is it? So that's the bonnet. And these two parts came as kind of these two bits came as kind of a package deal. They were on eBay together. Like I said before, up in Manchester, this boot lid came with it. I'm not really for me the smooth boot lid, but I know somebody who may be interested, so just try and get a bit of some close-up detail on it. That focus is noisy, isn't it? Turn it over. It's a double skin one, which is nice. It's got one cut out for the latch mechanism. It's got the screws in the side here for the lanyards. I need to get a screwdriver on that one, just see what that's like. But it does look in really quite good condition. I'm not going to fit the bonnet until after I've painted it, which I'm not going to do just yet because obviously it's a bit cold this time of year. But yeah, that's the new bonnet to replace the crusty old white metal one. As far as the Mini's concerned, just lately it's turned into a bit of a table. There's all sorts of things been dumped in here. There's a box sat on the bonnet, and it's just feeling a bit forgotten about. There's a flat tyre down there where I use the Easy Bleed kit to bleed the brakes. I've got to finish doing that. At the moment the alternator's off it, battery's flat, the tyre's flat. I've took the headlight rings off because I've got some new ones to fit. Yeah, so it's feeling sorry for itself. I really am hoping over the next couple of weeks I can get some time on the Mini. I'm off work now for Christmas and New Year, so I should be able to get in the garage. I want to get it, there's not a lot it needs doing. I've just bought this water pump pulley. I'm changing all my pulleys. I've got a nicely powder coated crank pulley to put on. I'm changing the water pump pulley and putting another new alternator belt on because it still seems to be shredding alternator belts for some reason, and I'm not entirely sure why. So I'm going to get that done, get the battery charged back up. I need to adjust the rear brakes. I think there's some adjustment issues preventing me from fully bleeding it. Because I'm bleeding it, I seem to have got all the air out, but I'm still got a spongy pedal and can still pump it up. So there's clearly air in it, but there's fresh fluid coming all the way through. So I think as the wheel cylinders aren't pushing all the way open, there's a bit of air trapped in there. So over the next couple of weeks, I want to get all that done and get it back on the road and have a bit of a run round in it over this festive period, which would be nice, as long as the roads aren't too salty. But looking at the weather forecast, it's quite mild over the next week or two, so fingers crossed. But that's all I've got for you for this one. I just wanted to show you the bonnet and boot lid and the state of the poor car. I need to tidy up the garage because we've been working on the house. Everything's just been piled up and dumped in there. I've got the shed that I want to sort out, get some of the stuff in the shed off into storage, and then I can put some of that stuff I've dumped in the garage in the shed. So there's a lot to do, but I've got a couple of weeks off work now, so fingers crossed. Hope you all have a good Christmas and a good New Year, and I may see you before New Year over the next week. Thanks again for watching.